Road projects visited include Ikpokpan Road in the GRA, Ekewan Road, and Testami Road, all in Benin City. Speaking shortly after the inspection, Chairman of the State House of Assembly Committee on Infrastructure and Deputy Leader of the House, Onobun, said the committee is pleased with the pace of work so far executed. Mr. Onobun, who said the road construction is in line with the contract specifications, assured that the House will continue to supervise all infrastructural projects and enjoin the contractor handling the project to ensure their speedy completion.
Work is ongoing on the drainage, and we've seen the level of work, depth and sophistication of the work done. Currently we are on the Testami Road. We have visited the place where they are doing the underground train, and myself and members of this committee, honorable members of the State House of Assembly, we are very much pleased with the pace of work, and we are enjoying the contractors to speed up work for the betterment of Edo people.
The project manager Heartland Nigeria, Patrick Abdallah, said at completion, the project will address the menace of flooding on Ikpokpan Road, GRA, Benin City.
Because of the weather, we are concentrating on concrete works only, which is this part of it, part of the underground canal, which will take to discharge at the moat. It's part of the job. We are continuing from what we started at the other side. It's the continuation.
Some residents in the areas poured praises on the State Governor, Godwin Obaseki, for embarking on the projects.
I feel good when I see the hand of Obaseki. We thank God. We want to create our streets under. The houses from Ekena almost finished because of erosion. We appreciate Governor to see Ekena to revive back.
Thomas Sadoh reporting.